Welcome to the amazing digital circus! My name is Kane. I'm your ringmaster, and I'm here to show you the most jaw-dropping, heart-stopping, mind-bending paraphernalia you've ever laid your eyes upon!
Who are you people? Where am I?
Everything's gonna be okay, new stuff. We've all been through this.
If there was a way to leave, I'm pretty sure we'd have all left by now.
Welcome to your new home. And your new body.
A new home? What do you mean?
You, my friend, stumbled into an incredible world of wonders, where anything can happen!
I'm fine with doing whatever, as long as I get to see funny things happen to people.
After a while, you start to realize that you really can't leave, and constantly chasing an unattainable goal will start driving you a bit crazy.
Oh God! Why can't I remember my name?
Thank goodness this is all a dream, right, Pomni?
Kane! We have a bit of an issue here!
You completely lose sight of who you are and why you're even alive, and when you reach your breaking point, something really terrible can happen.
What did any of that mean?
This year, Thomas is going on an adventure.
What's Thomas got to do with it?
That will take him beyond Sodor.
There are lots of new things to see here.
All I can see is another truck's backside.
And discover new friends.
My name is Hurricane, like a storm. We are experimental engines. Experimental engines? Wow! What does that mean?
It means we're test models.
Trial and error.
My name's Beresford, by the way.
Join Thomas on the most thrilling ride of his life.
I have to help James.
Where friendship and teamwork
Friends help each other.
can help save the day.
Well, isn't he a clever little tank engine?
This is the most excitement I've had in forever!
It's showtime! Introducing Disney's Aladdin, an all-new collection of action-packed animated adventures.
Wow.
Starring Aladdin, Jasmine, the Genie, and all of your favorite friends from the hit movie Aladdin.
We'd better check it out.
Check out the first 3 adventures in this exciting collection. It's like having 3 wishes come true.
Yes!
In Aladdin to the Rescue, Aladdin saves Jasmine from a marriage-minded ghoul.
Now, my dear, enter eternity with me.
In Genie in a Jar, Abysmal the Bandit takes Aladdin, Jasmine, and the Genie prisoner.
This is great! First I steal your carpet, then your genie!
Then in Treasures of Doom, a thief's on the loose in the palace.
I take one of these, and one of these, and one of those!
Don't miss out on 3 times the thrills, laughs, and romance.
That's a swell idea.
It's the first 3 great new volumes of Disney's Aladdin, coming soon from Disney Videos.
Straight out of the sands of time to you.
If you love trains, then you know the countdown to fun has just begun. And Thomas is #1. Come ride the rails with Thomas with non-stop trackside adventures. And meet Molly, the newest engine.
It's the most special of all.
Thomas and his friends have lots of important jobs to do.
How exciting. I must get there right away, cried Thomas.
When a dinosaur is discovered on the island of Sodor, who will take it to the museum?
I will need 2 very careful engines to collect it.
And you never know what's coming just around the bend. Bring home Thomas and Friends on DVD in Come Ride the Rails. And don't forget to add track stars and Tales from the Tracks to your Thomas collection today.